Let's now discuss a couple of things about how to work with some colors inside of Photoshop. First and foremost, as we see here, we've got our toolbar, which we've been introduced to before. And in the toolbar, you'll notice that there are a number of different objects available to us. And in particular, the ones that I will be looking at for the moment are these two, which indicate the foreground color and the background color. So as you'll notice, when I mouse over these, it says set the foreground color, set the background color. You'll notice that you'll be able to switch between the foreground and background color just by hitting this little button right here. And you'll also notice when I mouse over that and just hold it there for a second, you'll see to switch between those two, X is the shortcut. That'll come in handy a little bit later. If ever we change these colors, we can always set them back to the default, which are black and white. Well, the foreground color and the background color indicate, number one, whatever's in the foreground is the color that you are going to be painting with or doing a number of different things with. The background color generally denotes the color of background that you're going to be working with as well. You'll be able to switch between these foreground and background. What if we wanted to change what the either foreground or background color is? There's a couple of ways to do that. Simply single clicking on this box allows us to open up the color picker. And as you can see here, the color picker will enable you to choose between any number of different colors. As you can see, for the vast majority of time, we're going to be working with RGB values. And you'll see here that here you can enter in RGB values yourself. And when you do enter in those RGB values, they will change the colors that you're going to be working with. As well, you'll notice that you can access a hexadecimal number. This is exceptionally important for any would-be web designers because you will need to know exactly what the color representation is in a hexadecimal value, and you'll be able to copy paste this and bring it into Notepad or wherever you're doing your HTML, Dreamweaver, or any other application. And if you choose OK, you'll notice now that we have a different color for use. So if I was to use my brushes or paint buckets, I could do just that.